I am Alekha Sachidanand. Welcome you all to another class of communication. Today our topic is television and radio news. This lesson explains how to write news report for television and radio. Writing story for the people. So why we are writing? Keep in your mind that while writing something, we are writing for the people. A journalist write for the people who watch television news or who watch your story. Viewers need to feel your story as directed at them. You talking to an individual, your audience, you have to plan everything for an individual who is watching your story. Else they will turn away. When writing, it's good idea to present that someone is sitting in front of you and watching your story and write the story for them. Write a headlines. It is one short sentence which explain the story what it's about. So we discussed different aspect of television news and radio news. Let's look some of the more important informations which is related to report any television report. So a reporter doesn't want to describe what's happened on the screen. So let the pictures tell the story. If you have the visual, no need to repeatedly explain the same thing. You can add extra information with the visuals if it is essential. Let the picture describe itself. A reporter can give more information about the visual if it is relevant to the story. Another important fact, you can use graphics. Graphics, a way of communications which create more simpler way to communicate the idea information to the audience. Graphic can be used to present any statistical informations. Sometimes to understand statistical information is critical for your audience. At that time, we can use statistic. We can use graphics. And we can use figures. Graphic design. Let's understand what is graphic design. It is important to add in our story. So what is graphic design? Graphic design is a visual communications which combine the word, image, ideas to present information to the audience. Graphics solve the problems associated with the visual communications, like presenting complex informations in more simpler way. Then workshop and interview. If you add workshop or interview in your story, it will add more value to your television news. You should use short workshop and interview. Workshop means voice of the people. It presents the opinion of majority of the people. Workshop refers to short interview with number of people in public. So you can end your story with a PTC. PTC means face to camera. At the end of your story, you can include face to camera, where a reporter is on the screen and talking to the camera from the place where event is taking place. It increases the relevancy of the story. So let's talk a little bit about radio report. Most of the things which we have discussed already, they're same for radio report. But here we are writing for our audience who are listening our story, not watching our television news. Let's talk about radio report. Before any radio story, as in television, finalize a story idea, do necessary research, collect the facts related to the story, take interview, select background music and sound. As a radio is a medium of sound, definitely you have to keep more emphasis over the sound. The first part of a radio script is the cue. In television we call it on cam. The presenter read the cue when they introduce the report. The cue should be some of the story in few sentences. It shouldn't be too long. In the televisions, the radio report, as in the television, the radio report need to be clear, concise and correct. Remember, if any word we could not say to our friend when we tell about the story, then don't include that word in your script. Read the radio script out loudly and make sure it makes sense. And if you can't, if it is possible, you can ask somebody to listen and find out the mistake within your story. It's good to include interview and workshop like in television by the people who have been affected. Include the best clip and edit unwanted part. If it's relevant, keep the natural sound. It also adds value to your story. You can include relevant sound effect and music. Journalists who are writing for radio and television, check your script. Then get someone else also check. Then check again. So check, check, check. So our story, our script must be error free. Make sure everything is accurate, true, and balanced. If there are two sides of a story, tell them both. Each and every aspect of the story we should include it in our report. When you interview, make sure the persons know where the interview is going to be appear, from which channel you come from, where you're going to broadcast. That information must be given to the persons from whom you going to ask questions or getting informations. If they are under 18, only use their first name. So I hope you enjoy the lesson, and in the upcoming classes we are going to discuss more about television and radio production. So stay with us.